We start the new year with a new special recipe, the Dalgona Coffee. It is a special type of cream coffee and was one of the most popular online recipes in 2020. We experimented a bit with coffee and some spices and tried to develop this recipe further. We want to combine the masala chai with the Dalgona coffee, so we begin with our spices. We will need 1 piece of staranisseed, 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 green cardamom pods, a 5 cm long piece of cinnamon, half a dozen black peppercorns, and a small piece of ginger which we cut in pieces. We give our spices into a small pot and roast them, very careful, until a pleasant spice smell comes from the pot. The point of roasting your spices is to enhance the flavor, but be careful, if you roast your spices too much, the flavor will turn unpleasant and bitter. Now we fill our roasted spices into a mortar and grind them until they break down into smaller pieces. You don't have to grind the spices too fine. We will sieve them out later anyway. We just want to break them up to enable the flavor to go over into our liquid. We put the spices back into a small pot and fill them up with 250 milliliters of water. Begin to boil the water, and when it reaches boiling point, remove the heat and add 1 bag of black tea. Remove the tea bag after 3 to 5 minutes depending on your taste. After giving the spices some time to give their flavor to the tea, we also add 250 milliliters milk and give it some time to enhance the spice flavor. Since we don't want to have these spices in our finished coffee mix, we pour our masala chai through a fine sieve. The basis for our Dalgona Coffee Variation is now ready. Now we come to our Dalgona coffee topping. We begin with a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons instant coffee to it. We also add 2 tablespoons sugar and 2 tablespoons hot water. Use an electrical mixer to produce a whipped coffee. If you need some sports and are ambitious enough, use a hand whisk. When our coffee gets creamy, we can very simply combine our 2 ingredients. Fill the chai into a cup and leave some space on the top. To finish our creation, add some of the beaten coffee cream as topping. Our Dalgona Chai Coffee is now finished and ready to be served. We hope you like our variation of this recipe and try it yourself. Let us know in the comments what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this recipe with your friends on social media, since we are heavily dependent on your guys' support. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Over and out.